Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nutella stuffed double chocolate banana muffins. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a small tray with plastic wrap. And then add 18 scoops of Nutella onto the tray. And place it into the freezer so they firm up. Then to make the muffin batter in a small bowl, add the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set this mixture aside for now. And then in a larger bowl, add the canola oil, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and the mashed overripe bananas, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and the chocolate chips and mix them together just until they're combined. Don't overmix the batter. Scoop a little bit of the batter into 1.5 muffin pans lined with paper liners. This recipe makes 18 muffins. Then add the frozen ball of Nutella into each one. Then add more batter to each one until it's filled to the top. Then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once done, remove from the oven, let them cool in the pan for 10 minutes, and then transfer to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make Nutella stuffed double chocolate banana muffins. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.